At the incredible rate that the world is consuming its natural resources and negatively impacting the environment, it's only a matter of time before we are all living on a toxic Earth. The air will be filled with pollution and clouds of haze. Our landfills will overflow with trash and debris. The very little water we still have will be contaminated with our own trash and wastes. Through research and analysis, one can see the incredibly negative impact that each person has on our world. Our generation produces waste faster and at a greater volume than any other generation before, yet we are also one of the first to truly want to change that. Although some are time-consuming and expensive, many methods are available to be used to help the national effort of going green, including many used locally at UGA and in the Athens community. One of the easiest ways Athens is putting forth effort to improve the environment is by recycling. Athens is not only trying to recycle even more cans and bottles, but is also trying to healthily dispose of very harmful electronic wastes like batteries and televisions through downtown drives. This is reflecting a more national effort to recycle as well. Although recycling has been available for many years now, local and national efforts are being made to emphasize its importance still today. Groups like the locally based UGA Ecology Club and the national Keep America Beautiful campaign are trying to show the true importance of recycling today. As shown in one of my photographs, UGA dorms promote recycling by providing accessible marked bins. Recycling at the local and national level is very important for multiple reasons, including the fact that many wastes are placed unnecessarily into landfills. On the UGA campus, most bathrooms contain only hand dryers in order to reduce the unnecessary amount of paper towels used that would essentially end up in landfills. Recycling is a method of going green that is very prevalent in Athens because it is a relatively cheap program and reaps many rewards. Not only are Athens and UGA reaping the benefits of a cleaner city and campus, but they are receiving monetary incentives as well. For example, the city of Athens provides free recycling bags to downtown shop owners, as opposed to relatively expensive and required garbage bags. Although Athens is improving on the amount that it recycles, it generally only recycles aluminum and glass. There are so many other materials, including plastic and paper, that could be recycled, yet are not due to the possible increased costs. Not only can recycling have a positive influence on the environment, more efficient forms of transportation can also improve our world. We can achieve a more positive impact on the natural environment through healthier and more efficient modes of transportation. Throughout the country, bus and subway systems help residents move from place to place as quickly as possible with the least amount of environmental harm. Athens does a great job of using efficient forms of transportation. Although it does not run on alternative fuels, the UGA transit system is an asset in the effort to improve the environmental quality of the community. The transit system reduces the volume of cars running daily on campus. Athens transit buses are also free for UGA students and faculty, which encourages even those who live off campus not to drive. Not only are buses an efficient way around Athens, but the UGA campus is covered in sidewalks and bike lanes. With less cars on the road and more use of alternative forms of transportation, less harmful waste is expelled from the air from unnecessary numbers of vehicles. Also, less gasoline is used, therefore making an effort to conserve our natural resources. These local forms of transportation are very cost-effective for students because they reduce the amount of money students pay for gas. Alternative transportation promotes less impactful ways of traveling locally, which can make a national or even global impact. Efficient forms of transportation are a great way to go green, but so is the conservation of resources, including the reduction of unnecessary water consumption. Due to the fact that UGA is such a large campus with an incredible ability to impact others, the university has taken multiple steps to reduce its water use. In 2007, UGA implemented Every Drop Counts, which is an educational program designed to reduce excessive water use. The program also includes the installation of many low-flow plumbing fixtures, like toilets and showers. Since its start, the program has worked very well and reduced the UGA campus's use of water by 25%. For the school, the benefits of Every Drop Counts educational program and the installation of more energy-efficient fixtures was worth the cost. Not only is the reduced use of water much healthier for the environment, but UGA reaped monetary benefits due to the decrease in wasted water. Reminders to conserve water are posted on mirrors in dorm bathrooms to explain the importance of continuing the program. In addition, UGA has received recognition from other universities in the state that have modeled similar programs after Every Drop Counts. Through water conservation efforts, UGA has made huge efforts to cut back on its excessive water use and improve the environment. Methods of improving the environment locally can have a true national and perhaps an even global impact. Although there are limitations to going green due to the sheer cost of improvements, small efforts can be made to create a huge change. UGA has made a large impact over the past years due to its students' activism. The plans put forth by the administration could not have been a success without the effort and support of the student body. There are now many student organizations like Greeks Going Green, Students for Environmental Awareness, and the UGA Ecology Club that are run by young people, but are making an impact. UGA in Athens itself is turning into a green city over time. But what is different about Athens? What about the location makes going green seem to be a viable option? Athens is filled with young, intelligent, and motivated population that is willing to raise its voice and put forth the effort needed to improve the environment. With such an active population, there are endless possibilities to the positive impact Athens can make on the environment locally, possibly nationally, and maybe even globally. We are our own worst enemies and our own best allies in the struggle to improve our Earth.